Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll discuss one more problem related to gratuity when the assessee is not covered under Gratuity Act. So till now, the three problems, whatever I have solved, in that assessee was covered under Gratuity Act. Now we'll look on to the problems where the assessee is not covered under the Gratuity Act. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ನೋಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಮೂರು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ assessee Gratuity Act ಅಂಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು. ಈಗ ನೋಡುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್. ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಎ ರಿಟೈರ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ 31st 3 2023. So Mr. A is getting retired after serving in a company. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. It means it is a non-government organization or private organization. For 32 years 10 months. So he has served the organization for 32 years and 10 months. He received rupees 78,000 as gratuity. So how much he is receiving as gratuity? He is receiving 78,000 rupees as gratuity. His average monthly salary in the immediately preceding 10 months was 2,800. So average salary 10 months. So before he retired, okay, the 10 months average salary was 2,800 rupees. Compute his exempted gratuity and taxable gratuity for assessment year 23-24 if he is not covered under Gratuity Act. So in the previous three problems, we were taking last salary drawn because he was covered under the Gratuity Act. When the person is not covered under the Gratuity Act, we will take last 10 months average salary. So when he is not covered, we will take last 10 months average salary. So let us see how to solve this problem. Name of the assessee. Name of the assessee is Mr. A. And our previous year starts from 1/4/2022 to 31st March 2023. Our assessment year is 1/4/2023 to 31st March 2024. Place of work they have not mentioned. So you can simply write it as company. So they have not mentioned clearly. So you can write it as company. Because here he has told that serving in a company, after servicing in a company. So category, he is non-government employee. Nowhere they have mentioned in the question that he is a government employee. So we will consider him as non-government employee. ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವನು ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಿ ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹದ್ದು ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಆತನನ್ನ ನಾನ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಬಲ್ ಗ್ರಾಚ್ಯುಟಿ when the employee is not covered under Gratuity Act. So he is not covered under Gratuity Act. So first, always what we have to write? First we have to write actual gratuity received. First ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಾವು actual gratuity ಎಷ್ಟು ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. In question they have told that he has received 78,000 rupees as gratuity. So here the person is receiving 78,000 rupees as gratuity. Now he is a private employee, private organization employee, and he is receiving gratuity on retirement. So certain exemptions will be given. So out of 3 exemption, which is least, that will be exempted. ಈಗ 3 exemptions ಇದೆ. ಆ 3 exemption ಯಾವುದು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ exemption ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಆಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಗ್ರಾಚ್ಯುಟಿ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಆಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಗ್ರಾಚ್ಯುಟಿ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಆಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಗ್ರಾಚ್ಯುಟಿ 78,000 rupees ನಾನು ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ ಅಂತ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್. Maximum an assessee can take exemption in terms of gratuity, that is 20 lakh rupees. Maximum ಒಂದು assessee gratuity ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 20 ಲಕ್ಷ ತನಕ ಮಾತ್ರ ಎಕ್ಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ. This is given by IT Act. The third exemption will change a bit. ಮೂರನೇ exemption ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. That is 1/2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ half into average salary into number of completed years of service. average salary ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ 10 months ಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಅವನು ರಿಟೈರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಂತ್ ಇಂದ ಹಿಂದಿನ 10 months, the month in which he retires preceding to that 10 months average salary should be considered into number of completed years of service. So first will be half into average salary. In this problem, they have given average salary in the question itself. In few problems, average salary will not be given. We need to calculate on our own. But as it is a first problem, average salary is given in the question itself. His average monthly salary in the immediately preceding 10 months was 2,800. So his average salary is 2,800 rupees into 2,800 rupees. Now, they have told that he has served the organization for 32 years and 10 months. Remember one thing, when the employee is not covered under the Payment of Gratuity Act, the months should be ignored. Don't consider the months. Months should be ignored. ಯಾವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಅಸೆಸಿ ಗ್ರಾಚ್ಯುಟಿ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮಂತ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರು ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಲೆಕ್ಕಕ್ಕೆ ಪರಿಗಣಿಸ್ಬೇಡಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ಇಗ್ನೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇವಲ ನಾವು 32 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರಿಟನ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಆಸ್ ದ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಿ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕವರ್ಡ್ under the Gratuity Act, the months must be ignored. So into 32 years. So half into 2,800 into 32 years ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we will get 44,800. Now from these three values, that is 78,000, 20 lakh and 44,800, whichever is lesser should be given as exemption. ಸೊ ಈ ಮೂರರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅಂದರೆ 78,000 ಅಥವಾ 20 lakh ಅಥವಾ 44,800, ಈ ಮೂರರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಅಮೌಂಟನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸೆಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಮೂರರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರೋದು 44,800. That 44,800 will be shown as exempted gratuity. Means that much exemption an assessee can avail. So now 78,000 minus 44,800 will give us a value of 33,200. This 33,200 will be considered as taxable gratuity. This 33,200 is taxable gratuity. ಇದು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 78,000 minus 44,800 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ 33,200 rupees ಬರುತ್ತೆ. It is taxable gratuity. Hope you have understood how to solve this problem very well. If you have any doubts or queries, please put all your doubts and queries in the comment box so that I'll respond to your doubts and queries as soon as possible. Thank you for watching the video. I'll come back with the next video.